Welcome to Nano3, the main facility of the San Diego Nanotechnology Infrastructure, or SDNI. We are one of 16 nationwide sites of the NSF-supported National Nanotechnology Coordinated Infrastructure, or NNCI. We provide advanced capabilities for fabrication and characterization in our state-of-the-art cleanroom and analytical labs. In this video, we will cover basic facility information, training courses, services, and an introduction to the cleanroom. Detailed and up-to-date information can be found in our policies and procedures document here. Nano3 is open 24/7 year-round, including all major holidays. General staff hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. The buddy system is required for working inside the Nano3 facility. This means no one is permitted to work alone inside the facility. At any given time, at least 2 users must be present. As a new user, you should already have an account on the Nano3 website. In this account, you must ensure your recharge number is up to date. This does not apply to external users. Billing takes place on the 25th of each month. Failure to have an active recharge number will cause you to lose access to the facility. Also on our website, you can find the latest user rates, contact information for staff engineers, and a full list of available equipment. We offer a number of short training courses such as Basic Microfabrication, PDMS Molding, and Introduction to CNC Micromilling. You can find course descriptions and instructor contact information here. General equipment training and scheduling is done through our FON system. Please see the Introduction to FOM video for more information. Not only can you be trained to operate most tools in the facility, you can also request staff-assisted service work. These services range from single processes to full device fabrication and characterization or imaging. To inquire about staff-assisted projects, please contact the process engineering team. Electron beam lithography and wafer dicing are offered as services only. Information about these can be found here. This completes the analytical lab portion of this video. The rest of the video covers an introduction to the cleanroom. A cleanroom is a specially designed lab that keeps airborne particulates to a minimum. Cleanrooms are rated by class standards. A Class 10 cleanroom is defined as having less than 10 particles of half a micron or greater in size within a cubic foot of air. Similarly, a Class 1000 cleanroom has less than 1,000 particles of half a micron or greater in size within a cubic foot of air. This level of cleanliness is necessary to maintain the reproducibility of micro and nano devices. Normal air contains hundreds of thousands of particles per cubic foot. To prevent these particles from entering the cleanroom, air is pumped downward through HEPA filters in the ceiling, maintaining a higher pressure inside the lab. This results in a constant flow of particle-free air from inside to outside of the cleanroom, keeping particles from entering the lab through small cracks and door jambs. Even with a constant flow of filtered air from inside the cleanroom to the outside world, particles can still find their way into the space. The biggest source of contamination entering the cleanroom are humans. People continually shed particulates, so specific gowning requirements before entering must be adhered to. These procedures will be demonstrated during your in-person tour. Finally, there are limitations on the materials that are allowed to be brought into the lab. Anything that can generate particulates is prohibited. For example, no regular paper or cardboard. Cleanroom paper or notebooks are required. No wood. Nothing fibrous. No leather. No powder makeup. Nothing flaky or powdery. No retractable pens. No tape. Capped-on tape is provided by the lab. No laptops or electronic devices that contain a fan. Everything that is allowed to be brought into the lab must also be wiped down in the pre-gowning area with IPA or water. It is important for each user to understand that their individual commitment to this protocol ultimately determines the success or failure of the facility. Nano3 provides a variety of commonly used chemicals, photoresist, and deposition metals. For a full list of provided materials inside the lab, please see the Policies and Procedures document. No outside chemicals are allowed without the consent of Nano3. If you wish to bring materials not provided by Nano3, please contact staff to fill out our new chemical request form. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you during the lab orientation tour.